With SwissWatchExpo, we've reviewed the Green Hulk and the Glidelock clasp, the quick micro adjustment clasp. What we want to do now is move on to the new updated clasp on the Yachtmaster. The Yachtmaster actually has a similar buckle, and so we're going to open this up. There again, you pull this back, and you can see, for those of you who haven't seen the Hulk video, you just simply pull this and you see it has a spring-loaded clasp. That's what secures that down. So pull this back, reach up to the top, pull up. Now, one of the interesting things about this buckle is it does have something of a micro adjustment as well. And that is this piece here on the end. And you can see that when it's out, you can actually see a gap between this link and inside the buckle. Now, whenever you see that, that means it's extended fully. If you need to tighten it up on your wrist just a little bit, you can simply just fold that piece over. And you see how that folds over? Fold that piece over and lay it down. When you do, you're going to notice that there's a little bit of an edge here. That's because you need to snap it in place. You can hear it click. If you need to disassemble it and make it a little bit larger, what I always do is just simply pull. It's just that simple. So if you see it, there again, it's open. You can see it forms almost an H pattern. Roll it over and lay it down. And when you lay it down, snap it in. That gives you approximately a half a link in adjustment for those of us who swell in the summertime versus the winter time, and you don't want to have a link taken in and taken out. That helps you a lot. So this is the Yachtmaster with that new, what I would call micro adjustment half link in that clasp. That's not the actual technical name of it, but I think it's easiest if you remember it that way. This is a gorgeous watch, by the way. It's SwissWatchExpo. If you get a chance to own a Yachtmaster, this is a beautiful one. Contact us at SwissWatchExpo.com or give us a call here at our store and we'll help you with your watch and get it adjusted for you.